What do you usually do in your free time? I enjoy watching movies and playing games. Have you read any good books lately? Yes, I'm reading a mystery novel. Do you like working out? Yes, I go to the gym 3 times a week. How's your day going so far? It's going well, thank you. What time do you usually wake up? I wake up at 7 a.m. Do you like outdoor activities? Yes, I love hiking and cycling. What's your favorite holiday? I love Christmas because it's so festive. Do you watch TV often? Yes, I enjoy watching dramas. How do you get to work? I take the bus every day. What's your favorite kind of dessert? I love chocolate cake. Have you ever been to a concert? Yes, I went to one last year. Do you like learning new things? Yes, I love learning languages. What's your favorite type of movie? I enjoy action and comedy. Do you enjoy meeting new people? Yes, it's always interesting. What do you usually do on holidays? I like to travel or relax at home. Do you like spicy food? Yes, I love spicy dishes. What's your favorite drink? I like iced coffee. Do you enjoy going to the beach? Yes, I love the sea and sand. What's your favorite day of the week? I like Saturday because it's relaxing. Do you enjoy gardening? Yes, I grow flowers and vegetables. Do you like going to the park? Yes, it's peaceful and quiet. What kind of sports do you like? I enjoy basketball and tennis. Do you like rainy days? Yes, they're cozy. What's your favorite time of day? I love the evening. Have you ever tried yoga? Yes, it's very calming. Do you like picnics? Yes, they're so much fun. What's your favorite snack? I love chips and dip. Do you enjoy watching sunsets? Yes, they're beautiful. Do you like exploring new places? Yes, I love adventure. What's your favorite festival? I enjoy New Year's celebrations. Do you listen to podcasts? Yes, I listen to them daily. What's your favorite type of fruit? I love mangoes. Do you enjoy eating out? Yes, I like trying new dishes. Do you prefer summer or winter? I prefer summer. Do you like meeting friends often? Yes, we meet every weekend. What's your favorite ice cream flavor? I love chocolate. Do you go to the library? Yes, I go there to study. Do you like dancing? Yes, it's so much fun. Have you ever been camping? Yes, I went last year. Do you enjoy long walks? Yes, especially in the evening. Do you like trying new foods? Yes, I enjoy it a lot. What's your favorite restaurant? I love Italian restaurants. Do you drink water often? Yes, I drink a lot every day. Do you like staying at home? Yes, it's relaxing. What's your favorite pizza topping? I love pepperoni. Do you like listening to the radio? Yes, especially in the morning. Do you enjoy swimming? Yes, I love it. Do you like your city? Yes, it's a nice place. Do you prefer books or movies? I prefer books. What's your favorite drink in summer? I love lemonade. Do you enjoy taking photos? Yes, I take pictures often. What's your favorite outdoor activity? I like jogging in the park. Do you like rainy weather? Sometimes if I'm indoors. Do you enjoy writing? Yes, I like journaling. Do you have a favorite park? Yes, the one near my house. Do you like baking? Yes, I bake cakes and cookies. Do you prefer mornings or nights? I like mornings. Do you like board games? Yes, I play them with friends. What's your favorite cafe? I like the one downtown. Do you like taking road trips? Yes, I love road trips with friends. Do you enjoy watching the news? Sometimes to stay updated. Do you like shopping at malls? Yes, it's fun. Do you prefer city life or village life? I prefer city life. Do you like visiting museums? Yes, I enjoy learning about history. What's your favorite type of cake? I love cheesecake. Do you enjoy listening to live music? Yes, it's amazing. Do you like exploring markets? Yes, it's exciting. What's your favorite type of tea? I love green tea. Do you enjoy sunny days? Yes, they're great for outdoor activities. Do you like trying new coffee flavors? Yes, I like experimenting. What's your favorite activity to do with friends? I like watching movies together. Do you prefer reading or writing? I prefer reading. Do you enjoy volunteering? Yes, it's very rewarding. Do you like talking to strangers? Yes, I find it interesting. What's your favorite way to relax? I like taking a warm bath.